Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the language which you want to learn on the Babbel application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the settings button at the upper right corner of the screen. At the left side on the screen, go to the second option, the My Language, and in the I want to learn section you can find different language and just select one and click that. For example, new, I choose the Italian, and at the upper side of the screen you can find the current learning language, and new, this is the Italian. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.